Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this tasty peanut laddu with just 2 ingredients. This recipe is dedicated to your toddler, but I'm sure that your entire family is going to like this. So let's get started. The 2 ingredients that you need for this recipe are the peanuts and the jaggery. Here I've taken 1 cup peanut and half cup of jaggery. So the ratio is 1:2. You can take any quantity of peanuts, but make sure that you take half quantity of jaggery. First, in a pan, I am taking the peanuts and I'll dry fry these peanuts for 10 to 12 minutes on medium to low flame. This is almost done now. So if you can easily remove the skin of the peanut, and if you eat the peanut and it is crunchy, that is when you switch off the flame and keep it aside for cooling. Now we need to separate the skin of the peanuts. For that I am going to crush the peanuts with my hand like this. And then I'll blow on them. But this is how my mom does it. For this recipe you can also use the unsalted and roasted peanuts that are already available in the market. Now I'll transfer these peanuts into the blender. And I'll blend coarsely such that the peanuts get stick to the edges of the blender like this. And it becomes difficult to blend further. That is when you stop it. Now I'll add the jaggery to this and I'll blend this mixture until the mixture gets stick to the blender and stops blending. Now our laddu mixture is ready. I'll transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now I'll take a small portion from the mixture and start making laddus like this. And our laddus are ready. Okay, let me try it. So good. This is my toddler eating her laddu. So please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel to get an update for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.